You built a website, you launched your business, but somehow nobody's finding you. Here's the truth. Without SEO, your website is basically invisible. Every second, thousands of people are searching for answers, services, and products on Google. If you're not showing up, your competitors are, and that's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of improving your website so search engines understand it, trust it, and rank it higher. In simple terms, SEO helps your website show up when people search for what you offer. Unlike paid ads, SEO brings in organic traffic. That means people find you naturally, without you paying for every click. And here's the best part. SEO builds long-term visibility. It's not a quick hack. It's a strategy that grows over time. Think of Google like a super smart librarian. When someone types a question, Google scans billions of pages and picks the most relevant, helpful answers. It looks at things like, is this content useful? Is this website trustworthy? Does it load fast? Is it mobile friendly? If your website checks those boxes, you rank higher. This is what's on your website. Strong headlines, helpful content, smart keyword usage, clear structure. This is how your website performs. Fast loading speed, mobile responsiveness, secure connection, clean structure. This is your reputation online. Backlinks from trusted sites. Brand mentions, authority signals. The more trusted your site appears, the more Google trusts you. Not every search means the same thing. Some people want information, some are comparing options, some are ready to buy. Good SEO matches your content to what the searcher actually wants. That's called search intent, and it's powerful. If you're a local business, SEO helps you show up when someone searches. Best cafe near me. Digital marketing agency in Singapore. Local SEO makes sure your business appears when nearby customers are ready to act. SEO isn't guessing. You track website traffic, keyword rankings, time spent on page conversions, and over time you see steady growth. SEO helps you get discovered, attract the right audience, build trust, grow long term, compete without paying for every click. Without SEO, your website is just sitting there. With SEO, it becomes a growth engine. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. And comment below. Do you want a deeper dive into keywords, backlinks, or ranking strategies? Let's grow smarter.